Today we talk about how can you find your insights on your Lumosity app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click here on insights here. When you just click here on insights, it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this. Then here you will find all your insights you have. So like you see here I have you will find it here. So I have nothing here, but if you will find your insights, can you find it here in this list on your Lumosity app? So that's all you have to do. I wish know you I get it. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.